Do you remember the old Grey Whistle Test tune? Do you think it's time you learn how to play that yourself? Remember when you had a harmonica as a kid and you never did anything with it? Is it time now to give it a go? If you're not interested in the harmonica, please skip this ad right now before it chases you around the internet and drives you bonkers. I'm going to hold your hand and lead you through, and I'm going to kick your backside at the same time, which is not easy when you're playing the harmonica. If you're frustrated and still want to play the darn thing, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master the harmonica. Over 25 years of teaching the harmonica full-time, I've distilled how to play the harmonica into 52 aspects, and then focused it further down into 5 essential pillars. And that's what you'll discover in my free training if you click the link below. Hi, I'm Ben. I'm your new best friend. I'm your harmonica coach. The cavalry has arrived just in time. I'm Mr. Wolf. So what am I offering? Fast track harmonica mastery. Here are my 5 steps to harmonica mastery. Number 1, ready, steady, go. Here's where we remove all the confusion and answer the beginner's questions like which type of harmonica, what key do I need, where do I get a harmonica, how do I hold it, do I need to soak it in water or beer, does it need running in, how should I breathe with the harmonica properly, how can I practice, how to build a nice easy structure to help me learn progressively. My old trumpet teacher used to say constant systematic practice is the route to success. In my free training we'll go into all of that. Number 2, game-changing baby steps. People often don't know that there are 5 different ways to play single notes on the harmonica and how to apply that knowledge to blues and tunes. That's what we get into next, and we get your mojo working. Number 3, how to play music with other people. Big subject. That's what we talk about next. Everyone asks me about how to bend notes, and that's the key to the highway. Next, number 4, turbocharge your skills. Which keys does my harmonica play in? What is cross harp? What is straight harp? And if you've got a few harmonicas, which one should I use for each song? We'll cover that in the training. Number 5, you're in the band. Tense, nervous headache? Don't take Anodin, take my free training. Being in a band can be quite stressy with politics, getting gigs, which amplifier, which microphone, how do I stop feedback, what is foldback, how to remember what to play. But I guarantee you'll understand all of this. We all need some encouragement, and that's exactly what I'm offering, encouragement from me and your fellow students. Sound good? Get my free training now while it's still there. I will take it down soon because I don't want too many people. I can't cope with too many people joining right now. I think I want about 10 a month maximum. So don't miss the boat. Click the button down there on your desktop or laptop. I think it's up here on your phone. And let's get cracking. You know you really want to play the harmonica, but let's be honest, you haven't managed to do it on your own so far. And time is running out. You want to crack this. You need help. And I'm the cavalry. I'm that help. What more do you want? Help is at hand. So click that button to find out more. You know, it took me 30 years to learn to play the harmonica on my own. And you can do the same. How old are you? Answer the question. Do you really want to crack this harmonica in this lifetime? The sands of time are running through our fingers. Of course, you can find loads of YouTube lessons out there. Some are brilliant, but most are done by unqualified people who haven't yet trained as teachers. I qualified in 2002 as a teacher. But even the good teachers out there, who are mostly friends of mine, don't have structures or order on YouTube. It's still a scattergun approach. And that's just the teaching, not the mentoring and coaching that you get with me. So get my training now while it's still there. I will take it down soon. Like I said, I don't want too many people. If I can have 10 people, new students every month, I'm quite happy with that. I don't want any more. I can't really give people enough attention. So click the button down there right now. Don't stop, do it now. And you'll get the free training, you'll watch the video, and you'll find out more about it. I've got loads more to tell you.